This is the new console we have in our living room. Looks like a regular piece of furniture, but we've added something to it. It's very quiet. We have joined the 21st century and bought a LCD TV, our first one. Getting rid of the tube TV, which was our main TV, up until yesterday. This is supposed to be Barb's present, but it's really kind of Dad's present. So, kind of cool. And we don't have to look at the TV all the time in the living room, which is also nice. And when that's done, you just turn around and off you go. And we can see Packy in there, reflecting off of the clean screen that's not dusty yet. Hitting the satellite, and there we go.